Good question. Not having what I need to cook.
Being messy. Oh my god. Get it together.
I disliked olives when I was a kid, and now I like olives.
Shepherd's pie. I hate shepherd's pie. I like all the ingredients separately, but shepherd's pie together grosses me out. Even my nana can't make it, so I like it.
Of course, Queen Bee, Beyonce, and then I'm gonna serve her like our Filipino food, which is adobo.
We had a guest chef come in, and he made like hot sauce, but he made a base out of like watermelon, so it was like a fruity hot sauce, and that was like really interesting to me.
I like Chinese, I like Indian, I like Italian, I like food. I love food.
20. I like it very spicy. I like to make extra spice for me.